Continue. Okay, 67 kilometers. So I was 44. So 11, I still have a lot of trees to go. Wow. Very good view if you see. And a very sharp corner too. Let me give it very carefully. I was not being careful previously. So I hit that very big bottle. I am okay. But I don't want to repeat the same mistake again. So I gotta be in my lane. I gotta maintain the speed. I don't like to go in that models. So, like I said, Chunya is a very big district of Tanzania, and is very well known for its mining activity, gold mining activities. And I don't know if there is a big mines like in Shinyanga, Arusha, or Geita, but whatever it is, I think it is because small mining, or artisanal mining, I think that's what they do. But also is they have been a very huge producer of charcoal, which is being used as an alternative cooking fuel in Tanzania. Though we are planning and have a lot of discussion on how to eliminate and stop that, because it comes with a very huge catch of deforestation, and unfortunately those who have been involved in those activities, they don't plant trees. They just, all they know is to cut trees and get the product and then they move on. So it's the risk of having drought and other complications that come with deforestation has been minimized. But also, so the government is encouraging people to stop from using charcoal. Instead, they have to use cooking gas, natural gas. But due to economic status of the country and nature of the situation, it's a bit difficult, because you could find that charcoal is a bit cheaper, and the availability, it is available mostly everywhere in the country and easily accessible. So if you say you want to change us to move from one source of energy to another, while that source is not easily accessible, it's a bit an insult and challenge to other people, especially to common people like me. And it is very easy to plan it and implement it. So they need to come up with a very good measure so that we have been helped or move from. It is a good vision, actually. It's a good vision, a very good idea. But how to implement it is another story, and another story indeed. So they need to be very considerable. So you can see mining activities sometimes come with the catch of deforestation, and you have charcoal activities also come with the catch of deforestation. So what do you expect this region to be? I'm not the person to give you an answer, but I think you already know that answer to be. But since you know the answer, then I'm not going to say anything apart from saying, hey, think twice before you speak. All right. Okay. So that means the area is prone to an accident. Like, this is why I like Tanzania. You know, on the road there from Tukuyu also they have that's the same thing. They say, please drive or ride slowly because this area is prone to an accident. And yes, there are some people who knows a lot than the people who put those signs. They still don't care. They ride or they drive more carelessly and at higher speed. So, but at least you haven't warned. You take your own risk. So these things are there, but there is, I say, it's not a decoration. They are just there to warn you. So you got to be very, very careful. And I'm also being very carefully. Because I can see, like if you have an open road like this on your own, you're riding through, it's very soothing, you know. I am alone in the road, a very bad road that people, whoever see me, they will try to beat me, but I prefer. Also, there is another sign, slow down. There is a very steep slope. So if you follow this, you are likely being very safe to being involved in an accident. You see, like I said, motorists are the people king of the road, and they're crowned by the government, and the government also defends them. I'm not going on another lane because of the corner. Even though my lane is bad, I will remain here. I like to be safe. Safe. Is there anybody behind me? No. So this is a region, I think it's a place, they call it, it have got a very sharp corner. They even named it like region corner. I mean, corner zankoa in Swahili, which if we translate in English means region corner. I think they're very, very good. So you can imagine, this is the asphalt road. Try to think when it was not paved, how was it looking? Chaos, eh? Interesting. Yeah. Careful is my middle name, Mom. I'm being very careful. Because whenever I call my mom, that is the very first sentence I say, my son, are you being careful? Please ride safely. I say, Mom, I'm very careful. I know. You love me and they depend on me, so I'm being very careful. Unless there is somebody who doesn't care for us. There are things that are out of our reach, so we let them be. But as far as I'm concerned, I'm being very careful. Very, very sharp corner, you can see. You see, that person from Westlife did me bad. But he did me good. He didn't push me through. do not overtake in any circumstances, but yet they do pass it. I'm not telling anybody. You see, I came from there. It's a very, very like rugged road. Like here, what is it called? Onions there. Go down. Okay, that is very, very okay. I know. They say go down. There is a very, very sharp corner, and I'm gonna follow them because I like living. And you can see there is a very, very sharp road. Oh, very sharp one. All right, sorry. You see how this road, how this corner are? So this is why they call it Kona Gamkoa in Chunya road. Very, very challenging road. I'm trying just to imagine the way this road was a bit not paved. At least now it is paved. And there is a lot of indicative, preventive. So at least you have to say, hello, welcome to Tanzania. Why we see wonders on the road. I think this qualified to be a dangerous road on the planet. Somehow, in some way. It qualifies that. A very, very dangerous road. Maybe it seems to be not that much dangerous because it is well paved, but I think it is very dangerous. And it needs to be. See, this is why I don't like to overtake in the corner. You cannot see how do they came from when you find somebody is there already. This is the sharpest corner of them all. As you can see, it's very sharp. Those are the kings of the road from here. And then you see that Westlife did me bad. How are you going to do me, you? Then we're gonna have a beach, bro. The view is very good, you know. Alright, I said that was the sharpest corner. I stand corrected. I think this is the sharpest one of them all.